Hey creators, welcome back to Creator Fact. In today's video, I'll show you how to add text, titles and graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are making eye-catching titles and sleek lower thirds including graphics elements, this tutorial will cover it all. So let's dive in. Add basic text. Start by selecting the Type tool or T from the toolbar. Click on your video preview and type your text. To customize it, head over to the Essential Graphics panel, Window, and then Essential Graphics. Here you can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment. Create titles. For titles, go to Essential Graphics, browse, and choose from built-in title templates. Drag and drop a template onto your timeline. Then customize the text and animation in the Edit tab. Design lower thirds. Lower thirds are perfect for introducing people or sections. Use the same Essential Graphics panel or design on from scratch with the shapes and text. Align them carefully to make them visually appealing. Add motion graphics. Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to add pre-made motion graphics templates or MOGRT files. You can find this in the Essential Graphics browse section or download them from Adobe Stock. Animate text and graphics. To animate your text, use the Effect Controls panel. Add keyframes for position, scale, or opacity to create a smooth text animation. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create professional looking text, titles and graphics elements right in Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are making a YouTube content or your client project, this will really help you and make some difference on professional looking content. If you found this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Leave you any question on the comment section below. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.